Why is it always up to me, Cindy? I end up doing everything. I'll bring the food, but I think Anne should bring the drinks.
What's their addressing?
On Orange, just off Crescent. I mean, she brought one lousy pizza for the whole team.
I need the exact address.
I know how to get there.
I want to use the GPS.
You're dead.
What game are you playing?
Mortal Kombat.
Is that violent?
It's not violent.
Hey, Mortal Kombat.
I need a new DVD.
Where did you get that
Honey,
game?
just use that one again. I need the exact address.
He said it's Bobby's.
Can't get it to work.
Cindy says no way is Bobby allowed to play that game. She wants to know where he got it.
Just past Crescent.
We're supposed to turn left on Crescent.
Which way? I need the address. Just a second, honey. We're almost
Give
there.
her one.
Which one?
Go left.
Here?